Meet Jake and Sally. Jake works nights, so having restful sleep any time of day is really important for them. They don't sleep comfortably because too much light enters through their windows. They met with our BW design team. We listened to their pain points and found the best solution. We installed Hunter Douglas Duette Honeycomb blinds, which met all their needs. They wanted no light coming through their blinds. They wanted to keep the heat out, and the double cell keeps your interiors cooler while reducing hot outside air from entering. The double cell also added sound insulation, which was great since they face a noisy street. Child safety was a priority since they have a toddler. They love the deep gray color, which matched the contemporary decor, and we selected the larger vane size for an updated feel. They can control privacy by lowering the shades from the top and by raising from the bottom. Our clients were thrilled with the solution. Sweet dreams, Jake and Sally. Let our BW design team create your perfect sleep oasis. Don't lose sleep over it, give us a call.